Welcome everyone to Banana Bread Trades. My name is Goose and we're going to do a quick video here on how to download and install the Glizzy Clipper 5000 light or full version for Quantower. And it's very specific that this is only for Rhythmic or CQG at this time. Eventually we'll fix it to work with DX Feed and then be on other platforms, but this one's just for Quantower real quick. So if you've gone to this page, link is in description as well, and went ahead and joined, then it'll take you to the download page. And right here we have the Glizzy Clipper 5000 Lite download. You're just going to click the download button. It takes just a couple seconds and it'll pop up there in your downloads. Go to your download folder. And then you'll also want to pull up, let me go back here, your Quantower folder. I know this says Optimus Flow. That's just the broker that I use. This is their white label version of Quantower, but this is all the same. So go to your Quantower folder. You're going to go to settings, then you're going to go to scripts, and you're going to go to indicators, and this is your indicator folder. You can see I've had a lot of the beta versions of the Glizzy Clipper in here, but they're zipped. They're in their zipped folders, so they will not show up in Quantower. And your download is a zipped folder. So what you'll want to do is double click your zipped Glizzy Clipper 5000 folder. Then that'll show you your unzipped folder. You're going to take that folder and drag it over into your indicators folder for Quantower. Once you've done that, now it should show up in Quantower. And let's go to Quantower. So we pulled up Quantower here. Now we just have our blank chart. We just installed the Glizzy Clipper into our Quantower folder. You're going to make sure that this says 10 days up at the top. That way it's pulling enough data for the Glizzy Clipper to work, okay? Make sure that says 10 days. If it says less than that and it's Monday and we had a 3-day weekend, you're not going to see any of your expected ranges and it's going to be garbage. And you just need to be able to pull an entire previous full day. So make sure this says 10 days just to ensure that that happens. So now what you're going to want to do is right-click your chart, go to indicators, add indicator, and now you'll see our two indicators for the Glizzy Clipper 5000. First, you'll double click momentum and you can just exit out of this. You do not have to change any settings. The default settings are exactly as they should be. Don't mess with it. Now you want to right-click your chart again, go to indicators, add indicator, and double click Goose Zones. There, now you have Goose Zones and you can adjust this to, fit your screen correctly. And everything's already done for you. You do not need to change anything on the Glizzy Clipper 5000. Like I said, the settings are exactly how they should be. It's hard-coded in. Just a quick thing to let you know too, you don't need the Goose momentum on your chart for it to work correctly. This is just to show you what it's calculating internally. I like seeing this. But the momentum is also hard-coded into the Glizzy Clipper 5000. So if you don't have chart space or you just don't want to see this, you can take that off of your screen. Personally, I like to see it. But the Glizzies will still post exactly how they're supposed to, with or without the momentum on your screen. Because like I said, it's hard-coded into the Goose Zones as well. So that's all you need. If you want to, adjust some cosmetic stuff, you can go in here and you can change. Like I said, you don't need to change your channel width unless it's really volatile or something and you want to make your Keltner channels wider to filter out more trades. Sure, go ahead and do that, but 9.5 is what I use. But if you want to change, how your Keltner channel looks, or maybe you want to change how, the expected range looks, you can adjust that in here. You can do all of that stuff, but overall, as far as how it's calculated, you don't have to touch a thing. It's ready to go. That's all there is to it. And yeah, hope this video was helpful. Hope you liked the Glizzy Clipper 5000. Come chat in Discord, and we'll see you in the next one.